Hello everyone, and today I'm bringing you a video as a dog, I guess, and the mouth moves unlike it's supposed to, but it does move, and also the eyes don't move correctly either. Like, I'm not moving my eyebrows up right now, although I do like how it has blinking, but yeah. Today I just wanted to do a best channel video, probably one of my favorite channels right now are Germa985 and Vanus Gaming, so I'll probably put their description in the link if I can. Well, thank you for watching.